Coco the crab scuttled across the golden beach, looking for snacks. Then, he spotted something huge, a giant coconut. Ooh! This will be the best snack ever, Coco cheered. He tapped the coconut with his claw, knock, knock. But it didn't crack open. He tried pushing it, roll, roll. The coconut wobbled but didn't budge. Coco scratched his head. How do I open this thing? He called over his friend, a friendly seagull. Try dropping it from up high, the seagull suggested. The seagull picked up the coconut. Flap, flap. She let go, boom. But the coconut just bounced. We need a better idea, Coco said. A mischievous monkey swung by, watching them. Try rolling it down the sand dune, the monkey suggested. Coco and the monkey pushed the coconut up a hill. 1, 2, 3, push, they shouted together. The coconut zoomed down the hill. Faster, faster. It bounced off a rock, crack, and finally split open. Coco peeked inside. Yum! Sweet coconut milk. Everyone gathered around, slurping the delicious treat. That was the wildest way to open a coconut, Coco laughed. From then on, he always had a new way to crack coconuts. And every snack was an adventure with friends. Because the best treats are always worth the effort.